One of the reasons I do the things I do, whether it's quitting my job as a civil engineer to become a passionpreneur, whether it's escaping the rat race to go all the way across the world to live on a tropical island in the Pacific, whether it's doing the nomad thing through China, Singapore, and Laos, whether it's my workshops, my self-publishing workshops where I help people write and publish their own books, or whether it's my fasting and living a natural life in an unnatural world. I do these things to raise people's belief level, to show them what's possible. The more you believe something is possible, the more you can show an example of someone who's done it, is the more likely you may be to do it yourself and live your dream, turn your passion into profit, travel as much as you'd like to, and live a healthy lifestyle. So that's why I do the things I do. As far as fasting, there are some people who really believe, who earnestly believe that if they miss a single day's meal, if they miss a single meal for a day, that they risk starvation. So now you can say you know someone who's fasted for 16 days, no food, just water for 16 days, and is still alive. Yes, I've fasted for 16 days, and I'll be going even further.